Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is metal and non-metal. Part 1. A non-metal is chemical element that usually gains electron when the reacting with a metal and which form as acid is combined with oxygen and hydrogen, or which is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metal display more variety in color and state than do metals. Metal and non-metal are two types of substance that may be disguised by their physical and chemical characteristics. Metal are defined as elements that have 1, 2 or 3 electron in their valence shell. Physical properties of metal. Number 1. Metal can be hammered into thin sheets. Number 2. Metal are ductile. Number 3. Metal are good conductor of heat and electricity. Number 4. Metal are lustrous, which means they have shiny appearance. Number 5. Metal are high tensile strength. Physical properties of non-metals. Number 1. Non-metal have high ionization energies. Number 2. They have high electronegativities. Number 3. Non-metal are insulator, which means that they are poor conductor of electricity. Number 4. They are dull. They do not have luster like metals. Number 5. Non-metal are poor conductor of heat. Metals are malleable, meaning that they can be formed into their shapes, such as thin sheet or foils, without breaking or cracking. They are also ductile, which means they can easily drawn into wire. The answer is metallic bonding. Malleability. Being able to bend or shape easily would make material easily malleable. Sheet metal such as steel or silver is malleable and can be hammered into shape. Toughness or the ability of the material to absorb shock without breaking. Elasticity, the ability of material to bend without cracking. Ductility is a mechanical property commonly described as materials' amenability to drawing in material science. Ductility is defined by the degree to which the material can sustain plastic deformation under tensile stress before failure. Ductility is the ability of material to sustain a large permanent deformation under the tensile load up the point of fracture, or the relative ability of material to be stretched plastically at room temperature without fracturing. Sonorous is a property of material to produce deep sound. Some sonorous metal are alloy are copper, bronze, steel, aluminium, tin, silver, iron, etc. Metal which are soft or inelastic or inert can't produce sound like mercury, sodium, gallium, gold, platinum, etc. So let's talk about facts about metal and non-metals. Number 1. The most evident metal on the earth is iron, followed by the magnesium. Number 2. Tungsten is the metal with the highest melting point. Number 3. The word metal comes from the Greek word metallon, which means quarry or the mine or excavation. So kids, tell me, what is malleability? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the metal and non-metal. Part 1. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.